Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Lately I've been trying to do a few different kinds of videos other than just fixing machines. So if you want me to go back to strictly fixing machines, let me know. But today's video is going to be to answer some questions that I get all the time. And that's on my solar setup. How do I use solar to power my office and my tools and things like that? So let me show you. Right here, I have a commercial grade solar panel. This is a 350 watt solar panel. I bought it used. There happens to be a guy down the street who installs these for a living for a company. And oftentimes when someone decides to upgrade their system, they remove these panels for whatever reason, and he gets them and he sells them cheap. Now you can also find panels on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, you name it. You can get them used. 100 watt solar panel from Renogy or Harbor Freight is around $100. I've got one or two of those. I don't even use them. Solar panels have a 15 to 20 year life, and you can easily test them when you buy them used. So I chose to go with these. There are, if you can see that, the white behind my van, there are 3 more panels over there. I paid $40 a piece for 4 panels, and I don't even use all 4. I don't have to. But anyway, I've got my solar panel here. I drilled some holes through the frame, and I took some lawnmower wheels and bolted them onto the frame so that I could pick this thing up and move it around easily on wheels. The only thing that I purchased was this extension cord that you see here that's supposed to be red and black, but it's been outside in the sun, so it's this pink and black color. It goes straight up, and if you look right next to my air conditioner, I have it going in the gap there, the space that goes inside to my 1,000 watt solar generator, my EcoFlow Delta. I love this thing. There it is. This thing is great. It's 1,000 watts, so it's a nice size for what I do. As you can see, I have all my lights on right now. It also runs my ceiling fan, my TV. My TV's not plugged in at the moment to the solar system because I wanted to show you that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overhead lights. Let me close the door so you can see what it looks like. There are no windows in here, so you can see that I get plenty of light inside my house. I turned off my desk light. I get plenty of light inside. My fish tanks also run off of it when I want them to, but for the video I put them on regular power because I want to show you that with my lights on, if you can see that, I'm pulling 8, looks like 8 watts. That's the bottom number. This is what I'm using at the moment, and what I'm bringing in here is 260 to 285 watts per hour off of a single solar panel. And as you can see, in 3 hours or less, it will be completely full. Now this thing has 12 volt DC. That's why I have everything plugged in the back on a 12 volt DC. It's got plugs all over the back. I won't turn it around. There's plenty of videos on that. And I just stick it up there, and I honestly don't even leave the solar panel plugged in every day, which I should. But I like to keep my solar panels up against the fence when I'm not using them. So with that set up, I have to pull it down every 2 days, say every other day, every third day, when my solar generator runs out of power, and I lay it down here in the sun. I get my 300 watts. It charges the system in about 3 hours, and then I'm back good to go for a couple of days. Now, what I'm gonna do is set up these solar panels up on the roof over there, or up on the roof of my shed. I haven't decided yet. The van's going bye-byes. This office is going over there where no trees can fall on it during hurricane season. Then I'm putting my shade back up. I'm putting down a concrete slab so I have a workspace. And I may set my solar panels up here. Again, $40 for the solar panels, One runs the system. I think I paid $12 for the extension cord, and I had to buy a box of adapter plugs that'll go on any wire, and that was like, I don't know, $15, and it came with 40 or 50 sets. So I have enough to change any wiring I want, use the proper wiring. I believe that's 8 gauge, and you can put those plugs on it and you can connect them to your solar panel. Now if you don't, I bought that on a Black Friday special. I believe I paid $6.99 for that generator, and it's one of the best things I ever did. I actually have 2 of them. One of them is put away in a Faraday cage in case we have an EMP or some other situation, and I don't need it. I don't use it. It's for backup. It's to run the refrigerators, to keep her medicine good, for power outages, things like that. We also have gas powered generators that run on propane, but I'm not going to be relying on that because the power goes out, you won't be able to get gas anyway, and your credit card or debit card won't work. So I prefer to have something that's renewable. The sun is never going to go out, not in my lifetime anyway. So here in Florida, it's the best way to go, and I really love the setup. But if you don't have $700, $800 to buy a generator, you don't have to. I did a lot of research, and I chose to go with the EcoFlow Delta because EcoFlow, in my opinion, is better than any other brand name out there. I've had 0 problems with the system. It's great. It's plug and play. Simply plug your solar power into your generator, and it does all the work for you. The solar controller is built in. The plugs are built in. Everything that you need is built right in. It's all push button. It's ready to go. But if you don't have that kind of money, you can get a solar controller on Amazon for as little as $15. I bought one. They do work. I don't know how long they'll work. The one that I really wanted to get was the Renogy, and it's about $130. And it's the same one that my neighbor has on his commercially installed system. So if you buy that and you get some car batteries, you can have a complete solar system. And you just have to learn a little bit about how solar works. So you have to learn about how many watts you can put into your solar controller, what it'll handle. And you leave it out there, and it keeps your batteries, your car batteries, topped off all the time. You can use golf cart batteries. You can get those used as well. And you can set up a very effective solar system for maybe $200 instead of buying the solar generator. I did it because she needed hers to be plug and play. So if I'm not available or when I move, she still knows how to plug the solar panel in, and all she has to do is plug her gauges or her little things into it, the refrigerator, whatever. Just plug it in, touch a button, does everything for her. But you can set up a very effective solar system for just a few $100s. And believe me, the money that I save on the electric bill just for investing in this is awesome. I also charge the batteries in all my power tools so that they're always ready to rock. Comes from the sun, doesn't cost me a dime. I also charge my e-bike. If you watch my channel, you know that I drive an e-bike exclusively. I have 2 of them. I charge my battery for my bike via the sun, and haven't paid for gas in 4 years now. So I love it. So I hope this answers some questions. If you want to know anything specifically about the panels I have, model numbers, the EcoFlow Delta, anything else, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of my system. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls. There will be a PayPal link in the description if you want to help donate to my channel and help me continue to do what I do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.